everyone, thanks for stopping by today and seeing what I am up to. And today I have my Boxycharm Base Box for January 2020. I'm excited to see what's in here. It has some weight to it. Don't know how much this weighs. I don't know if it tells you on here. I don't think so. I have something on my lip. And we're going to open it up. And the base box has red interior. And it's Breaking the Ice is the theme for all of their boxes. Boxycharm will always be a favorite for me, so Breaking the Ice is their theme. And I have variation 17, and that is in the lower portion of the card. And it does give us a list of the things in the box. And we're going to open the box right here so you can briefly see what's inside. And we're just going to get right into it. So the first item is from Pretty Vulgar, and this is Undercover Concealer right here. Value of $25. I don't know if that's my skin type. I mean, I didn't use Pretty Vulgar as my option. I had a Becca. This is definitely too dark. As you can see that on my skin tone right there. Definitely think that's too dark for concealer. Yeah, that's way too dark. You can see that's... So they didn't get that right. I don't know what shade this is. This is 294H, and that's definitely too dark. Concealer is supposed to be lighter than your complexion. So that, because I think I did, when I did my swatching, I think it was on the Becca product, and so I don't know why they would send me Pretty Vulgar. I didn't get the Pretty Vulgar, samples to pick from, and I did not get to pick any of my base products because it just wouldn't let me do it. I mean, I was able to pick for my premium for this month, but it wouldn't let me pick my base products, which I don't understand why. So maybe that was one of the choices, and I would have picked my shade, maybe. So that definitely will not work. So that's a waste of $25 for me. The next thing that I see in here is from who's this from? Oh, Manna Kadar. So this is from Manna Kadar Beauty, and this is Lip Whip. Has a value of $21. And this shade is Lip Whip Dream. I'm not going to open this. Maybe I will. I always say I'm not going to open it, and then I do. Let me see if I can. Let me see if I can open it. Don't think I can. Trying here to get it along that little tear line. Almost. I think I have it. Yes, I have it. So we'll open this up. I don't know how this does open, so we'll figure this out. Okay, I can figure out how to open it now. Hopefully this stuff is going to stick to you. Let's see what I can get down with that. This untwist. Oh, okay. Looks like it's a twist off with that. Let me try it on this hand so I can show you guys. Well, that's a pretty color. Pretty similar to what I have on now, except mine's like definitely a matte. So this is the shade right here. Very, very pretty. I do like that. I love lip products. So I'm not mad at that. Manna Kadar Lip Whip, and that's $21. This, I'm not, these types of products I'm not a fan of. And this is from Skin&Co. This is a big bottle here, and this is Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. So this is like an exfoliating cream, value of $28. I think we got something similar to this. It's either an Ipsy or in this box, and I'm just not a fan. I use an exfoliant from Murad, so this I will put in a giveaway. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just not what I choose to use. So I prefer my Murad or I use Purity, you know, the Philosophy Purity or their exfoliator. So I don't like to mess with things like that because if they're too grainy, I don't like them. They're too harsh for my skin. So, but that would be, you know, great in a giveaway. And this is kind of drying down dry, this Manna Kadar. Does that say that that's like a matte? Don't know. The next thing is from Glow Recipe, and this is Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, $22. I'm not a fan of sleeping masks. This is 1 fluid ounce. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I did get this Glow Recipe from another box. This is not full size. I think full size is a couple ounces, 2 ounces, if not more. So to me, this is not full size. I mean, I'm not going to open it because I'll probably give this away in a giveaway because I do have a Watermelon Glow Recipe. And this is not even full. I mean, you can see it in there. It's not even full to the top, which I get. Sometimes jars are bigger than 1 ounce and settling and so forth like that. But this is not full size. And Boxycharm is supposed to be giving us 5 full-size products. So this is, I would say, like half of what the full size is. And they're saying that is, what, $22? I don't know about that. I'm going to look into that because I don't think that that's full size. And then the last item in the box is a palette. Let's see. And this is from Beaute, and this is Scarlet Dusk. And we have gotten items from them in the past. I'm not sure what palette. I would have to look at my palettes. So let's see. This has a nice mirror, so we'll use the card to cover that up. It does have a protective shield, so we'll take that off. And these are beautiful orangey pinks, some like deeper tones, deeper berries. So that's very pretty. I probably will not keep this. I just kept a Too Faced palette, so I try not to keep too many of them because I have like 3 drawers of palettes, and I'd rather share them with all of you guys rather than me hoard palettes that I'm not going to use, or maybe only use a shade or 2 from. I think that's kind of a waste for me personally, so I'd rather include it in a giveaway. But these are beautiful, beautiful. Like if you wanted to do, like come the spring or summer, like a beautiful orange tones, some berries. The Bahama is a beautiful color right here. This is a beautiful color right there. And you have some glitters. Very, very pretty palette. And beautiful mirror. So let's get this protective shield back on so nothing gets touched. And close that back up. So that's a nice product. And Beaute does have a nice formula. I'm trying to think if I recall from the past. I think it performed pretty well and had a decent like lasting power. So that is a nice product to get. So we have the palette that I'm happy about. And then the lip product from Manna Kadar. This does not match my skin tone, and since I tried it, I mean, I can't even share it with anyone. So that is a complete waste of money. And I don't even think it would work when I was tan in the summer because it is dark. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see my hand. You can still see it on my hand. It's definitely too dark for my skin tone. It has way too much like golden undertones, and that's not me. And then this I will share in a giveaway because I do have the full size. So I know for a fact this is not full size. So I don't know what Boxycharm is doing, putting in a non-full size item in their box. And this is, I'm trying to think, I don't remember if it was November, December that this went from $21 to $25. So they did do that many a times, like with Briogeo leave-in conditioners that they said were full size, when you could clearly see that they were a deluxe sample. And if you looked on Briogeo's site, it was not, it was a deluxe sample. It wasn't their full size. So they tried that many a time, and now they're doing it with this. And I bet if you say anything to them, they're going to, oh, this is full size. No, it's not, because I do have the full size, and it's active in, active in use. I do love Glow Recipe. It's a wonderful brand, and this really has a beautiful smell of watermelon. So somebody will enjoy it in a giveaway. And I'm never angry when I take items and include them in a giveaway, because this is something that I would use and I am using, so I don't mind sharing it. I don't need these in my boxes, and I think I actually did say I didn't want any kind of like exfoliators, toners. I have so many of them, and I have my favorites that I want to use. So, but like I said, I did not get, it would not allow me to pick what I wanted as one of my products in the base box. I don't know why it wouldn't let me. And this, as you can see, did dry down matte and kind of darkened up a little bit, but, and that's, you know, not transferring to my finger, which is nice. So, and I just can't get over how dark that concealer is. That would not work at all. I mean, even if I was tan, like I said, I think this is still too dark. So that is my base box from Boxycharm for January 2020. And if I had to rate this from 1 to 10, I would say maybe a 5. I'm pretty much on the fence with this one. Like, I liked the premium, and my Boxyluxe that we got in December I thought was phenomenal. And I thought my premium box for January was very good. I just don't know about this box. I did today, I'm filming this on Monday, which I think is the 13th. So today I was able to pick my base, you know, my products for my base box. And I think, I'm not sure when the premium allows us to pick for the premium. I know there's different schedules. So at least I'll be able to pick, because I think we're going to be getting, or at least I had the option to choose a Becca foundation. So I chose the shade that I best matched to my skin tone, because I was given the Becca sample packet, like their little blister packet to try. I was not given anything from Pretty Vulgar, so I have no idea. I would have no idea what shade I would be in this. And then somebody just picked it. I mean, it looks light in the bottle, but it's not. I mean, it comes out. I mean, really, it does not look. It looks light when I hold it up here against the bright light, but when I'm putting up against my skin, it's very dark. I mean, I don't know anybody that I could even give that to. So to me, that's like going to hit the trash. I don't even think I would keep that, which is a shame. Because, you know, how do you know if it's going to be your skin tone or not until you try? But it's definitely too dark. So that is my Boxycharm. And Boxycharm is and probably always will be a favorite, because I do love their box. This one, like I said, is just meh. It's like a 5 out of 10 instead of being maybe like 8 or 9 out of 10. So, you know, I guess you can't win them all, and they can't please everyone all the time, but I would love to know their reasoning on this. Like, give us full-size products. This is not full size. So, and anybody else that got this in their box, which might be quite a few of us, I think we all need to post to them on Instagram and on Twitter and on their Facebook page, why did we get a non-full-size item if that's what you harp about that we're supposed to be getting? So, I now did my Boxy Premium and then the actual base box. And I know, like, even watching YouTube and on their, you just see the advertising all over the place for Boxy. And they were heavy hitting the Too Faced highlighter and the Wander Beauty. It was either a duo or a trio palette as being in the boxes for this month. Yet in my premium and in my base box, I didn't get either product. And I did watch some videos for the premium box, and some people got both products in their premium box. I didn't even get one product between 2 boxes, let alone get both products in the box. So if that's what you're going to heavy hit your advertising on, at least make sure that everybody gets one or the other. I mean, you might not be able to put both in every box, but in the premium box, I should have had one of those products. I understand maybe not the base, but in my premium box, I should have had at least one of those products, not 0 of those products. If that's what you're flooding your advertising and flooding YouTube with, then your Facebook and Instagram and Twitter of, oh, Too Faced and Wander Beauty, but yet I got 0 of those products in either one of my boxes. I don't know what's going on. So I think they might be a little too overwhelmed with base box, premium box, pop-ups, add-ons, this, that. I mean, I think they need to hone in on their boxes and perfect them back to the way they used to before they start, you know, and then the Luxe box comes out every quarter. So, like, if you're going to heavily advertise 2 products, I think one of those products should be in every premium box. And those that are lucky enough to get both in their premium box, I'm happy for you. But at least everybody should get one of those products. And that's what I have to say about that. And I appreciate you always watching. And I'd like to say welcome to all the new subscribers to the channel. I am so, so happy to have you and look forward to getting to know you in the comments. And as always, I hope to see everyone in my next video. Bye-bye now.